What up, what up, what up? What's up, TikTok? What's up, YouTube? What is up, my friends? What up, Mitch? Big Grant, what's up? What's up? Cool as. Let's have a look over here. I've got to fix my camera. Let's do a bit of a top down here on gold. What up, Mood? Sir, please teach me. Well, let the class begin, my friend. Welcome in. Shemdog. What up, brother? Graph with the name switch. I love you too. So let's have a look over here. Let's do a real quick analysis here to try and get a bit of an overview of what's happening on gold. Isn't it wild, you guys? Look at this shit. This has been gold for the last few months. Like, it's crazy because we've had to adapt. Like, if you're a gold trader like I am, you've really had to adapt, right? From a trending market to a consolidation market. The ability to adapt. I think we've done a pretty good job at adapting. Yeah, I think we've done a good job at having the bird's nest on top of your head. So let's have a look. That's the weekly. The weekly's moving down here. Big Paul, what up, brother? Yesterday was crazy, big push down. Today we've wicked up. Could we flip red here and continue down to fill this NFP range? This big green candle was the NFP push up. Remember how NFP pushed the price up 600 pips? I'm learning crypto from you? No, you're not. You're not learning crypto from me because I don't do crypto. Mario, what up, what up, what up? You look like Chris Hemsworth and Ryan Gosling had a... I'll take it. It's better than some other weird shit I get told. 4 hours kind of stepping its way down. Not much volume so far today on gold. Yeah, not much volume just yet. We had a big push here. This 1 hour closed very strong, which is good. I like that we're at this level. What's below this level? Is it clean? Oh, that's the NFP level. We're at that NFP level right now, you guys. Beautiful. I'll move this down based on this level. What's it look like on the 15? Yeah, I think a break below these candles here, these candle bodies here, is going to be the best idea. Wow, you guys, look, we've got 500 pips of clean traffic. Who's keen to sell 500 pips? Me. Yeah, fire. All right, so there's a lot of anticipation on this level here. We've been consolidating through Asia, so maybe we'll get a decent push here on London. Full Marge Simpson, yeah. What up, Dub Q? Maybe the volume for New York? Yeah, maybe. Maybe we could just fuck around. Like, I don't think it's going to give us an easy little chance to take a nice little breakout and retest here. I find that hard to believe. We might need to pull out all the tools. So give Sig. Yeah, I'm already on the C4s. Yes. Big Shib. I'll catch up with you a bit later today, my dude. Shibzilla. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at on gold, you guys. I think this is a pretty good spot we're at. I want to sell gold. There's not good buying opportunities for gold. Like, yeah, we've got a little bit of clean traffic here to the left, but it's still, I don't really want to play in that. And then above here is just, yeah, messy as hell. So the only real option today is to sell gold. I would really love to see maybe a pullback and then an opportunity to sell from here. That would be phenomenal. That would be the most ideal scenario, I think. Because I find it very hard to believe that gold's going to present a pretty little breakout for us. Yeah, it just won't do it like that. And then, oh, look at retest, and nah, it's not going to do it. We're going to have to get creative. So the most ideal was to get a pullback first and then a push down and try and sell it from up here. Yay, my mouse is cooked. African Americans. Big stat, what up, my dude? Might chop all day? Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's cooking up. What's NQ doing? Oh, NQ pushed back up. Yeah, who's seen this impulsive move down here? I was saying to the guys in the mentorship, don't get faked out with these buys here. Broke above this level and retested. I was like, nah, I'm not buying it. I've seen this all before. Especially when NQ's displaying lack of volume. And it just fucking melted. Yeah, interesting. I don't know what... Yeah, we'll see what NQ wants to do. Bro. Paid like $50 for this fucking mouse, eh? What up, user? I mean, markets move in cycles, like throughout the year, right? There's different cycles. The start of the year, as soon as January 1st hit, gold just started moving up. If you just took a buy on January, you would have been fucking cheering, right? Right here. Gold just started moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up, moving up. And now we've just been in a 3-month consolidation. Who knows? We could be stuck here for ages. And this is where a lot of trend people, you know, trend traders, like, it's fun to buy gold. When gold's moving up, it's really good to play with. But you also have to be able to adapt when you do get consolidation. I think we've been doing a pretty good job of it. It's not as fun, but trading's not fun anyway. It's just like, it's just trading. You don't really want it to be fun because then there's emotion involved. Time periods you don't trade? Yeah. If you go onto my TikTok, I've got a whole video about that. Thank you for the donut over there, JWAD. Yeah, camera's fucking trying to do all sorts of auto shits. Time frame, bro. Look at the screen. Look on the screen and all your dreams. Yeah, I pulled up a new layout here on YouTube as well. Just a bit more of a simple layout. My overlay. Your boy's simple with it. I just keep everything simple. Simple trading strategy, simple mind, and simple overlay. Nah, no trade of an Asia for me. Looks like it was chop suey. I think some of the lads caught something. Time frame's so big on the screen, what do you mean? It's like in the corner under me. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah. Like, how can you not see? Yeah, so here we are, London Open. We'll see if we can get some volume here, you guys. Again, I would love a pullback and then a continuation. We'll see. But regardless, I'm in the bush with my sniper waiting for an opportunity to shoot this gazelle. Yeah, I know, Rod. What up, Price, Kev? PA Kev. I like your name, my dude. Pharaoh, Mitch. Mitch, did you catch someone caught some trade here in Asia? Do we have CPI today? Maybe CPI is going to fill this NFP range. Yeah, we got CPI today, you guys. So be careful if you're a New York trader. Big John, what up, my brother? Oh, you caught that, Shib? Do you have a standing desk bike? No. No. Yeah, I was thinking about getting a treadmill, but then it's kind of like, then it's also like, who fucking cares about anything ever? Yeah. Nice, Mitch. User, you're probably looking at Forex. I'm looking at futures. Pretty similar. Breakout can take a whole day. I mean, I'm not just looking for a breakout. I'll look for a pullback and then a continuation. I want to sell gold, so if I get an opportunity to sell gold, I will. Detected that a live chat. Yeah, if I get an opportunity to sell gold, I will definitely look to sell gold. How much do you aim to make per day? Don't really have an aim. I'm still fresh on these. I've freshly funded on these 5 Top Step accounts. So this next month, you guys aren't going to see me taking crazy profits. It's just I'm going to spend the first month just building a buffer in a sensible manner, and then once I get a bit of a buffer, then I'll start upping the size. I mean, yesterday I finished 170 over 5 accounts, which, I mean, that back in the day would have been like mind-boggling for me, but now it's considered probably a lower day. What's up, Carolina? Good to see you. How much buffer do you recommend? I want to get up to at least 4K. I want to be 4,000, so I'm 2,000 above the shits. Is Raja sending me some sort of gift over here on... Yeah, he is. What's up, brother? Raja sent some gift on TikTok. Yes, now when I blow my account, I can use that gift to pay for a new account. What's up, brother? Hope you're well, man. Nah, no trade today. But yeah, I want to try and get 4K on these accounts, and then yeah, and then up. So I won't even take a payout then. I want to just have that as a kind of level. Finally, we can launder money. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's so good. It's every day, bro. So how many counts do one need to make for it? Bro, what do you mean 4K a day? I'm talking about 4K over these accounts, not in a day. And then I'll be more confident to add more size in and just have a bigger buffer. How do you hide your balance on your accounts? You just go to settings on Project X. Ask him when the podcast. Raja, when podcast? I don't know if he's alive. Is it just now that you don't use any indicators of... Nah, I've always been like that. Yeah, I've always kind of not been an indicator. Oh, look, Raja is there. Man podcast. Bro. I just need a good title. Bro, title it 2 most jacked traders in the industry connect. Two of the biggest lifters in the game. Okay, done. Oh, that's so good. It's uploading and just waiting for a title. Okay. Bro, that's so... I guess it... Just ChatGPT it. ChatGPT, what's a good title? Ask Raja when... Yeah, I just asked him. Yeah, not much movement so far. We're at this pretty key level here though, so it'd be interesting. Bro, what's your strategy? Go ask Raja, he's in the chat. Raja Banks. Should I say the infamous one line while Raja's on stream? 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you gotta do. Cam a bit fuzzy. Yeah, I know. I've got to turn it off this autofocus. It keeps glitching out. I love how no indicators are supposed to be cool. Cool? What do you mean? There's nothing wrong with indicators. I just don't use them. They're not a part of my system. Like I don't benefit. Yeah, I don't need them. I love your voice. I love you. 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all that you got to do. Fuck it. What's your view on gold? I want to sell gold. Yeah, if I had a view, I would be more that I want to sell it. I just need an opportunity to do it. I find it pretty hard to believe it's going to give us like a pretty little breakout opportunity here, but ideally, if it could have a bit of a pullback and then I could try and get a sell from here, that'd be way better, but we'll see. Raja, follow me if you're real. Please, please. Yeah, just beg him. Bro, someone is using it. Yeah. Just beg. If you ever want something, just get on your knees and beg. Camera full. Yeah, I know. I gotta fix my camera's fuzziness. No, no, no. Yeah, so gold's still just here. Nothing. That's the first 15 of London there. Nothing. You see, look, Raja just confirmed begging works. Please, 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 I'll do anything. That's all you gotta do. Someone's here said, Raja, come follow me and learn new tips. Nice. There you go, Raja, if you ever need some tips. Do you play console? Yeah. Sorry about that drilling, guys. Oh. Bro has a perfect American accent. Bro, I'm literally the most Australian dude ever. If I had a perfect American accent, it would sound like, dude, you going to Stacy's party tonight, dude? Leon Messi? Yeah. Raja's literally spamming me here with gifts. I'm actually going to get rich off this stream. You know the shit thing about TikTok is they take like 80% of your gift profits. Bro. Stop, Raja. Look, he's putting a hat on me and everything. That's so fucking funny. Oh, that's so good. At least I know if I blow these accounts, then I've got enough gifts to pay for a new one. Hillary's a criminal. Raja spam likes. Oh, that's so good. Supporting your lava clown is legit. Man, I wish I had... Raj, I don't know if you're still there. Do you have a daily loss limit on Dominion Markets? Like, does anyone know of any... Does anyone know of any brokers that allow daily loss limits? Oh, you do have a daily loss limit, Raja? Daily loss of 2% on the personal accounts. If that's legit, via Magic Keys though. Ah, so it's like a third party. That's pretty cool that a third party system allows you to do that. No broker has a daily loss. Yeah, I didn't think so. But through Magic Keys you can do it. That's interesting. That might be the go because Magic Keys lock you out. Wow, okay. Fuck. I really want to do that. I want to go with a broker, a new one, and but I want one with the daily loss. You sound like C-Bum? Probably because I got a little bit of a lisp, and so does he. What's the C-Bum thing to say? What's up, you guys? Do you need Marco? Yeah, I'll suss it out, Raja. I'm probably gonna line that up then. Yeah, I'll probably line up an account and get some keys so I can set a limit. What's up, YouTube? That's what C-Bum says. What's up, YouTube? We're gonna hit some back and biceps today. Raja never lose? Yeah. No, Raja never loses. Did you try Pakistani tikka masala? Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't really care about food too much. Just delete magic keys when you need to satisfy the urge. You know what I was saying recently? It sounds like I'm glazing Raja, but I've used MT5 simulator for a long time, and if I ever get the urge to take an impulse trade, I'll pull up MT5 simulator and just do some simulator trading, kind of get it out of your system. Yeah, I think that's pretty helpful if you can do that. Wow, there's nothing happening just yet. When do you go to the gym? In the morning. Yeah, wake up, do the Asia stream at 4 a.m. and then go straight to the gym after that. Probably around 5:30 a.m. My whole body's sore. I've been fucking lifting so much. What's your take on CPI? That price is going to aggressively go up or down? Or both ways. Regardless, yeah, I have no idea, brother. But yeah, we've got 500 pips of clean range down here. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, I want to sell gold. That's all I can see for today is selling. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Thebum. Hit them back and bicep. Raja, the inventor of magic keys? Yeah. He's an inventor. How's that was a thing back in the day? That was a career opportunity. Like, you could be an inventor. You just invent like a fucking ball or something. They need to bring back that job fucking role. Boneless mutton? Oh, nice. Okay. Raja will blow 50k on CPI? No, no. Oh, very good. What is your goal? To build myself and my resources to such a degree that I can give the best life to others. Oh, you mean today trading? I don't know, I want to sell. Yeah, exactly, hustle. It's so choppy. Yeah, I know. Nothing's fucking happening right now. Crazy, man. Crazy. Thank you. Yeah, well, I'm here to show up and trade. So, but if gold wants to be lame, then I think something's gonna happen. I think it's just cooking a little bit more here. I think we're just cooking a little bit more here. Giveaway today? No. I was meant to, but they haven't sent me the contract yet. Yeah, I didn't want to do anything until I got a contract. What's this email? Hello, your audience is active. What if we gave them something to log in passively? Oh my god. Bro, I'm getting hit up more than ever by people trying to sell me shit. What up? What up, my dude? Yeah, I've never had so many people hit me up to try and like be a part of their shit or then be a part of it or something. It's crazy, man. I don't know how they get my email. Sell gold seems a good idea, but there's a daily level at 330. I mean, yeah, it's my the only reason I'm only saying that is because there's nothing to buy into. There's no targets. It's just Chop City. Chop City all up here. I've got nothing to buy into. So that's why my only resort is to sell today. I'm trying to sell, bro. Who's buying? Sorry, joined late. Did the squad get a rat scalp? Yeah, some of the squad got a rat scalp. I haven't traded. I haven't taken a trade yet. Other than the rat scalp these guys would have got, it seems like it's just been chop suey through here. Yeah, looks like it's been chop suey. No girls in the DMs, only scammers. Legit. It's like, you know, guys that go to the gym, they think they're going to get chicks, but really it's just other dudes telling them how good they look. Damn, bro, you're looking jacked. What about the girls? So yeah, major level here. Major level here. I might as well put a note here. Might as well put a note here just to so anyone knows what. Yeah. I mean, has anyone been able to trade gold today? Sensible like that? Anyone taking a setup that made sense? It's just been chop suey so far from what I've seen. We go to the gym to suppress our demons? Fucking hell. The wolf with like a fucking... Every time someone says something like that, I just picture like the wolf with a fedora on, smoking a cigar. It's like... This wolf bites back. Oh, you tried to buy the market? How long does it usually take when depositing money via dividend to Blackpool account? Bro. No tariffs on gold. That said gold should buy now. I don't know. Well, it's already been announced and it had no effect, right? So just be careful that like what you think will happen, you don't get stuck on that bias. I think just be careful of that. I've done that shit and everyone's done that. That's why, like, you know, people are like, dude, why don't you pay attention to fundamentals? And it's like, okay, fundamentally, we know that Trump has said that there's no tariffs on gold. Is that going to change my decision when a setup arises right here? No. I'm still going to take the same trade, right? So yes, it's good to have a bit of an overview and understanding, but other than that, it's not going to change my decision that I make when the actual technical setup arises. Haven't had an entry from yesterday? Yeah. Traded silver instead of gold. 2 chop suey? Yeah. People think Trump owned the world. Hillary's a criminal. Poster pick in the Dissy. Oh. Wow, Shibby caught this. Okay. Your mark echoes? No, it doesn't. Yeah, if anyone's got any analysis, throw in the Dissy. I'll post a link here in the YouTube chat if anyone wants to join the Dissy. Free community over here in the Discord. I'll pin it in the YouTube chat. Are you AI? Yes. Yep. Wow, this is wild, guys. Gold is actually not moving. Crazy. They're making the frogs gay. Do you recommend backtesting? I think it depends what you want to do it for. Yeah, it depends what you want to backtest for. Like, I mean, like, why do you want to backtest? Yeah, that'd be the biggest thing. I got some blue light blocking glasses on the way. Been shipped in. So much screen time that my eyes are literally becoming not eyes. Yeah, that's Mohammed. That's what I did with these accounts. These 5 Top Step accounts that are passed here were all done at once. I started them on a Monday, last Monday, and finished them on Friday. Started on a Monday, like a 9 to 5. Finished on a Friday. Hi Batman, how are you? Doing amazing. Next stream, Daniel with cardio glasses. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I've been looking at cardio glasses. Oh, I want this pair so bad. Yeah, I want this pair so bad. I can get them, but I'm just like, oh, I don't know if I deserve it yet. I haven't bought, ever since being in Dubai, I haven't purchased a single thing. Piece of clothing, nothing. What up, Bruce? Where's your pod with Raja? I mean, he just jumped in the chat before and said the only reason he hasn't posted is because it's scientifically impossible to think of a title for the pod. I said just name it 2 jacked, shredded beasts. Not moving because CPI? Yeah, but that's still a very long way. We should get a move before then. Go to Bali, genuine fakes? Yeah. Yeah. Damn, someone's drilling my freaking head off. Is that noise suppressor on? Yes, it is. Move before CPI? Yeah, I think we get a move before CPI. I mean, gold 30, the first 30 minutes of the London session just closed there. There's fuck all information so far. So I've been saying ideally for me personally, I would love price to pull up to here, create some sort of some sort of signs and wicks, and look for a sell opportunity back down. That would be the absolute best case scenario. 100% best case scenario. Nah, CPR is not for like 5 hours. Can you review? No. Pardon me. Outlet Mall. Are they genuine though, Jason? Plessy, thank you. Thank you. Resistance forming that, yeah. I think that'd be a really good opportunity for some sort of resistance to form. Fill a bit of this wick, this candle here, create some resistance, and then sell it back down. Are you being sarcastic, Jace, or are you being real? Have you ever tried to swing trade gold? Yes. Buy or sell. I'll give you a buy or sell signal if you prove that you actually take the signal. You have to post in the Discord chat. We need to see broker statements and everything. Other than that, there's no point asking because you're not going to take... If I say buy, you're not going to click buy. What's swimming trading? It's where you jump in a pool and as you're swimming, you yell out, buy! And then that's... No, swing trading, it just means holding the position for longer. Like a big move. Big move trade. Oh wow, okay Jace, interesting. I'll look into that then. How does one start trading? You just start with Google. Just start Googling it. That's how I start. I started from the ground up. Started from the bottom, now here. I just typed into Google, what is trading? What's a candlestick? Like, start from the ground up, like you would trying to get into anything. If you were trying to fucking learn how to edit, like be a good video editor, what was the first thing you would do? You would jump onto Google and say, what are the best editing softwares? What is the best this? And you just start to work your knowledge base up. Why not take buy on this candle, bro? Because I had no confirmation. Like, I know that it broke above this kind of level here, but that doesn't mean anything to me. This is nothing. Why did you try a lot of different trader styles before you arrived in your current strategy? Just because I always thought the grass was greener on the other side. Yeah, that's like normal human psychology. Just like taking a bunch of losses and then just jumping over to something else because you think that's, you know, you think the grass is greener. That's what everyone does. Like most people do. They fucking waste so much time and money doing it. Like the stream, guys? Yeah, like the stream, guys. If we can get a like over here, that'd be sick. Yeah, I'm looking to short gold, Omosh. What's the drawdown of funded? Depends what size. Caught 30 ticks in the VC? What the fuck's a VC? Oh. Wow, you guys are cooking without me. Okay, W. Nice, brother. W City. So in the ideal scenario, price comes up here now and creates some sort of resistance, and then we could look to sell back down. Other than that, there's no range for buyers. There is no range for buying. There's no targets. Yeah, live every day, brother. That trillion is crazy. Yeah, some of you guys took buys over there. Nice. Can I start with $10 in trading? I don't know. I don't know if a broker will allow you to do that little. You'd rather gamble than buy? Yeah. Why no targets for buyers? I mean, just because if you look at all these levels here, like there's a minor, there's resistance there, resistance there, resistance there, resistance there. Realistically, a break above there would be the closest, because then above that, you've got clean range. You really want like clean range to the left. You don't want to be buying into these key levels where price failed to break above. If it was just one colored candle, like green or red, you know, it's much better. But there's so many resistances on the way up that, yeah, there's just no clean range to buy into. Now, if price wants to kind of just impulsively push up and start punching through here, you know, we could maybe look at it retracing and then looking for a buy if there's clean traffic to the left here, but we'll see. The market does a good job of usually throwing shit at you that you don't expect, and we'll just have to see. Why do you trade Asia? I mean, why not? What did Asia ever do to you, bro? What buy waterfall? Let's have a look at NQ. Not a huge fan of taking these type of breakouts like within a range. Maybe we'll see how this candle wants to close. Maybe an NQ sell. What's your win rate approximately? It's pretty high, man. It is pretty high. Yeah. But yeah, win rate doesn't mean anything. There's guys with like 20, 30% win rates that make incredible money. There's guys that can kind of just trade. They do multiple entries, kind of like, you know, they get stung, like little paper cuts, and then boom, they get that big entry that makes back. Like, I wouldn't be able to trade like that psychologically, but there's so many different ways to trade the market. And yeah, I don't like win rates and shit don't really matter too much. Win rates and RRs are not like, yeah, it's all about how you make money. How do people make 1K profit? It depends. There's so many different ways. Like I did it yesterday. I made 1.3 and that was just having 5 accounts linked. How do you describe your way of trading? Just price action. PA. PA, son. Yeah, the only thing that matters is profits. Yeah, I'm just not the biggest fan of taking trades within a range, like breakout trades within a range. Kind of, you can see it's chop suey all through there. I like to rather take breakout trades where it's like out, like it breaks out of the range. Taking like some sort of in breakout within a range is a bit. We'll see. We'll see. So grateful for you and Raja. I tried so many systems before finding price action. Just quit my job last week and do this full time. Wow. Massive W to you, brother. Incredible. Yeah, huge, man. Huge. Good on you, man. It's amazing how everyone thinks of the chart different. Looks at, yeah, at the same chart. If I put a poll up and say buys or sells, it'll typically be 50-50. Everyone looks at the chart differently. I've got a minute here for this closure. So if we see if we can create something here now and start to look to sell, that'd be great if we could. That'd be great if price wanted to do something here, maybe create some wicks and some range and a red candle, and then we can look to sell back down. That'd be phenomenal. Yes, the common thing is to not overtrade 100%. $30 seconds here. NQ's retracing back up into this range. All right, pretty strong fucking closure there. Pretty strong 15 closure. We'll see. I could imagine, I could see this next candle definitely kind of, you know, moving up, breaking this top wick, maybe even up to there, and then turning into a rejection. Like if something like that happened, that'd be fucking sick. I will be definitely looking to sell back down. I could definitely see price kind of testing above this level here. But we'll wait. We'll have to wait and see. Do you feel MGC has been making short impulse breakouts, start consolidation choppy for the last four? I don't even know. No, I don't know. It's just chilling. It's just, markets have been markets. Yeah, I don't even think about it too much. I try not to think about the markets too much. The thing is, if you think about the markets too much, it becomes like a 9 to 5. It starts to become a job. It's too like consuming, I feel like. And you actually don't really need to like think about it too much, or just show up for your session, do your analysis, and then click the button. Yeah, I choose to not trade New York. The guys in the mentorship run a New York stream for everyone. Have you accidentally entered a trade and made money? Yes, I've done everything you could possibly imagine. Done every mistake you could ever imagine. For margin to retirement. Yeah, fuck it. Why not trade New York? Well, I do Asia and London. So I have other things in life that I got to focus on as well. So if I trade New York, it's just like my whole mind just becomes a candlestick. Yeah, my whole mind just turns into a fucking big candlestick. What's been your biggest breakthrough in trading? It's the thing that I knew was there all along, which was just stick to the rules. That's all. Stick to the rules. That's all that you gotta do. How much money did you lose when you started? Not much. I always traded prop accounts, so well, I guess it is a lot, probably thousands and thousands of dollars, but it was all from prop trading. So blown prop accounts. Yeah. 4 hour on what thing? Oh, you got a long way to wait if you're waiting for the 4 hour closure. Take a seat, I'd get tired standing for long, but we're built different. I'm built different, son. How can I avoid prop firms? Just don't fucking go onto their websites. How do I avoid beaches? Don't go to one? Yeah, I'm not the guy to ask about indicators. My only rule is 1 to 2 trade today. Good rule, man. Good rule. Bro, Tori just filed the restraining order. Fuck, I've got to remember to message her today. Or message her what is apparently her sister. It's about to sell, bro. Just wait. I hope you're right, because I want to sell. I hope you're right, because I want to be selling as well. Yeah, I got a podcast tomorrow as well, trading podcast. Should be good. Have you tried modeling? Foot modeling? Yes. No, I don't have long-term investments. I'm putting all my investments into businesses. Yeah, that's why if anyone watched my latest YouTube video, I said I could crash and burn. Yeah, you guys could see a massive failure. At least I get to document it. Albert? I mean, that's a lot of accounts, P. Shen, but yeah, it's going to be a good idea if you're consistent, for sure. I mean, we've got a, I've got a guy in the mentorship who's got like 30 accounts. He's an animal. What do you rely on most to not crash and burn? Good question, I'll tell you. The thing that I rely on most to not crash and burn is to understand that crash and burn is just a made up thing in your head. All right? That's the biggest thing. Crash and burn is just like something you made up. Like, it's not even a thing. So Mario Courage to go all in and build. Thank you, man. Yeah, that's it. Because what's the worst that can happen? It all fails, and then you just keep living anyway. Yeah, the only reason I'm saying that, Jimmy, I'm not saying that to like try and be a dick or anything. Like it's true. I used to think like that as well, and then I realized that you can just think whatever, and then that becomes reality. So if I don't believe in burning out, then I'm not going to burn out. But if I start to feel a certain way, I'm like, oh, I'm burning out. It's like, nah, bro, just drink some water and, you know, like, go to the gym. Best way to get started is to jump on Google. Same way if you were trying to become a video editor or something, you would jump onto Google and just say best cameras to use. What's the best editing software? Same with trading. What's a candlestick? What's a trading platform? Start from the ground up. Why use 15? 5 minute isn't reliable enough for sure. Yeah, I rely on like candle closures for confirmations, and the 5 minute candle closure isn't a strong enough confirmation for me. That's all. That's the only reason. So yeah, we'll see you guys. We've got some closures coming up here. I mean, might try and look at getting jigged up for a sell if this closes similar to what it is. I really would have liked a bigger retest. We've detected the inactivity during your live. Complete the verification process. Interesting. It's weird because I'm completely live. Anybody interested in crypto, bro? Stop posting that. Have you ever used benefits? Have you ever had benefits? Huh? What does that even mean? Baby, do you speak Spanish? Yes. Español el long de ding dong. Trading is boring. Yeah, I think that's good. I think it's good that it's boring. Yeah, maybe if this can close like this, I can look at selling gold. Not a huge fan of it, but also not a huge critic of it. The market's not even open. Yeah, I guess we're just waiting for the market to open. Yeah, Wolf Creek's a classic Australian movie. That previous level before the 15 pushed up, why did you not have resistance there? I don't, yeah, just kind of, I don't really like to take these type of trades. It was kind of like a small level of consolidation here and then a breakout with a small top wick. And then that, wait, what did the 30 look like? Yeah, that was a 30 closure. This isn't a part of my playbook personally. Yeah, that's not one of my playbook setups. Do you like the movie Wolf of Wall Street? I mean, it's all right. It's just, it's pretty entertaining, I guess. You wanted the 30 to look nicer. I mean, I wanted the 30. It's just, it's nothing. There's not a trade there for me at all. Yeah, there's just, I didn't take it. There's just nothing there. I can't make sense of it. That's all. Yeah, the only game I play, only game I play at the moment is Fortnite and Oblivion Remastered. So we've got 3 minutes over here, you guys. What's NQ doing? Stuck in consolidation. I mean, maybe. What's RB6? Red Dead Redemption? No. I know I didn't expect me to play Fortnite as well, but... Oh, Battlefield, yeah. I didn't expect me to play Fortnite as well, but... I mean, you can't deny it. It's fucking fun. I just can't deny it. All right, gold's flipping here. We'll see. Yeah, the 4 hours kind of just chilling. Make sure you guys on YouTube, if you're not, drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Oh, we're nearly at 100. If we can get to 100, that'd be sick. Yeah, I've been saying from the moment I jumped on stream that I really want to be selling gold today. It's going to be very difficult to find a good opportunity to buy gold unless it was above this level. You can see above that level, got at least clean traffic above there. So maybe I'll put that level there, but other than that, it's going to be tough to, it's going to be tough buying gold today. I mean, especially after just what the market's been doing, right? It's just heavily bearish. Major level through here. That it's like, surely price wants to gravitate to that level. And yeah, buying against this big move down, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough psychologically to justify it. Are you a YouTuber? Well, I'm live on YouTube right now, so I guess I would have to say that. Have I got to pay it with Top Step? I don't think so. I haven't really traded Top Step before. I think I did once, traded it once, but I just fucking fucked around with it. I just didn't even take it serious. They do have Fortnite without building. I only play without the build. Yeah, I hate the build. What up, Keefy? Yeah, that's right, goal. Yep. Yeah, I was a gamer back in the day for sure. Yeah, I was a little nerd when I was a kid. You look like Ryan Gosling. Gosling these nits. There's 30, hour, and 15. Still kind of chop suey. Look at these hour candles, you guys. Pretty ugly stuff. Pretty ugly stuff. So just gonna have to wait. Just gonna have to see if price wants to start to develop. Give us opportunity here, man. Do you want to have children? Yes. How did NQ close? And then I'm your biggest fan. Follow all the way from TikTok Live. You gold killer. Thank you, man. Good to have you, Usman. Usman. Kamara Usman? Let's say 1 minute candle crazy. Yeah. Nah, I wouldn't teach my kids to trade. Maybe. Yeah, I'll be scaling multiple accounts. I'll be scaling Top Step, Bull and Ox, maybe a personal account. I really want to focus on cooking some Top Step accounts. You're facing some issues depositing in Dominion market, bro. Kamaru Usman. We got DDP versus Kazmat this weekend. What do you take? School or trading? Wait, what do you mean? If you're in school, definitely school. What's up, you guys? I'm gonna fucking flip $1 to 500 trillion in 1 week. Smash that subscribe button to follow the journey. Nah, I won't trade CPI. Yeah, I'm with you there, Zrick. Yeah, I think everyone has the same thought there. The guys here in the mentorship are in a live call together. They all trade together. Everyone cooks up over there. Oh, is this Wynn's channel new? Am I just dumb? Alright, looks like a lot of these guys took this trade here. W. Yeah, I use a copy trader. Been here some days, one of the genuine guys on YouTube for sure. No. Thank you, JK. Roll in. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, just show up and trade. That's all we got to do. That's all that you got to do. How to join the mentor. I mean, if you're actually serious about it, just go to danielholmestrades.com. Yeah, that's the best way. Oh. The fuck? Alright, well maybe not. Maybe... in my bio, on my YouTube bio, in the description, you'll see a link. What's happening in the current session? Nothing, brother. Nothing. We're just consolidating this range here. So right now, waiting for an opportunity to either sell from this point here, where we are, if it can set up a sell opportunity, because I really want to sell gold today, or if it wants to move up and... yeah, if it wants to move up. Yeah, but right now, not a ton has happened. You know, a lot of, yeah, we just got to be patient, man. Drop the email so I can sell you warranty. Wait, what? Oh, you filled out the form? Okay. Yeah, you'll hear back from us very soon then. Wow, someone's drilling into my soul upstairs. Up looks nasty, yeah. That's why I said a break above this level. There's actually relatively clean traffic above this point. But again, like what I was saying is, if you just be realistic about this, look how heavily we're moving down. Yeah, like buying against that it's gonna be tough, man. Yeah, this weekend's card's gonna be dope. I'm actually a big fan of Aaron Pico as well. I want to see how he goes. What are they doing in the apartment, bro? I don't know. It sounds like they're fucking drilling down into... they're trying to get signals. Someone pops a camera through and says, "Signal, sir." Tren is your friend, absolutely. Tren is your friend. If gold just melts from here, I'm gonna be very sad. Nice, Musty. Congrats, bro. Are there homeless people in Dubai? I don't know about. I don't think so. I don't know. I haven't seen any. There's a lot of scams here, though. That's for sure. Then I can feel a buy, bro. Ah, we don't trade based off feel, my dude. Yeah, we can't trade based off feel, unfortunately. You're trying to become my Aussie mentor? I'm trying to become a wizard. You're a wizard, Harry. NQ chilling. Oh, thank you, Milkshake. MS. Yeah. Yeah, Aaron Pico did well in other organizations. God, they're drilling like fucking crazy, man. They're drilling like this motherfucking gold down here or something. You're a good monitor, people. I'm just gonna assume you mean mentor, but I appreciate it, brother. That's fucking funny. You're a good monitor. You're a good Samsung monitor. Thank you, brother. Good resolution. Going higher next lease, you mean like a better place? My first job was washing dishes at a pub. Wait, check this out. My first job was working dishes at a pub, and when I was a teenager, I was a little rat. Anyway, my first ever shift, I went to the skate park and I was planning to not go to work and smoke with the boys, and I did at the skate park. And then I hear a motorbike coming down into the bush, and it's my dad, and we're all there smoking. We throw the stuff everywhere, and I'm baked at this point. And he forces me to go to work, baked as, and I ended up greening out at work and spewing up and got fired on the first day. You know that anyone that's ever knows that feeling of like you're gonna green out, where you start to like just become a zombie and your face goes white? And that was my first ever experience at a 9 to 5. Got fired on the first day for greening out. Unbelievable, man. Crazy, eh? Imagine being forced to go to work baked and then greening out. Still unemployed? Yeah, feels. Yeah, I pulled the whitey legit. Yeah, no tariffs on gold. Moral of the story, don't work. Yeah, pretty much. So we're here, man. We'll see. Price is stuck, man. Look at NQ side by side. $200 likes, Dan will green out again. Yeah, can we get to 171 likes over here? Okay, nice. God's lettuce. Glad I gave it up. Yeah, give it up. Yeah, it's good to give up. You realize that it actually doesn't have any benefit in your life. Like you think it does. Oh, it calms me down, or it makes... I used to justify it like, oh, it gives me realizations. It helps me like think differently and have some epiphanies almost. But then you're cheating the system. It's like, why can't you achieve that state naturally? Had you buy the balls 3 years? Yeah, I was doing it since I was literally 13, stealing it off my dad and doing it literally since 13. And I had times where I was able to stop and control it to some regard, but yeah, it's no good. It isn't good. People that get baked like to justify that it's all good, but it's not. It's not. If you're trying to like achieve shit. Yeah, nice, JK. Good choice, man. Oh, it definitely makes things better, but then it's kind of like you're cheating the system. You're addicted to the, you know, the exaggerated feeling that it gives you. Wild stuff here, you guys. I'm probably going to give it one more candle, but we're just stuck in the fucking mud here. You're fucking stuck in the mud. The whole division's stuck in the fucking mud. Thank you, user. Think healthy lungs are better? Nah, fuck the lungs. It's more the mind. Oh yeah, cigarettes are the worst. It's the dumbest. If you're addicted to ciggies, it's literally the dumbest shit of all time. Luke, I've probably got the same bias that everyone has. First 2 rounds him. If it goes past that, DDP. Stand your fucking base. You little rat. You little rat up a thing. Yeah, fair, Keefy. Keefy, very, very fair, my friend. Yeah, very fair. You know, it's really not uncommon to show up for London and just get this, unfortunately. The start of the year and we're trending, but yeah, the market just moves in cycles. Stand your fucking base.
Take a deep breath and jump. And you might think, what if I fall? Well, what if you don't? What if you fly?
Nice, Matt. W, brother. Good stuff, man. Stand your base. Like, look at these hour candles. A lot of just side-by-side action here. Thank you, Florida. You too. I know, Shans. It's crazy, hey? I don't know anything about footprint candle volume things, brother. You lost money on cells? Yeah, that's a game we play, bro. Sometimes you're going to lose money. Sometimes you're going to make money. As long as you stuck to your rules. Bro, have you ever cried at night thinking about why I'm not reaching my potential? Yes. Yep. It was never why am I not reaching my potential. It was always I know what I need to do to reach my potential, but I'm not doing it. And I would fuck up again. So the idea of like, oh, why am I not reaching it? It's like, that's actually denial because you know why you're not reaching it. You should be crying about the fact that you keep not doing the thing that you know you need to do to reach your potential. Yeah, that's what it really is. Anybody that tries to tell you, oh, like what's going wrong? It's like, you know what's going wrong, bro. Like what are we playing here? You know exactly what you need to do. Yeah, I agree that he's out for blood, but so is Ratlip. Yeah, I'll give this candle a chance. If it wants to do anything interesting, then I'll hang out. But if it doesn't, yeah, I'll just pull the plug because nothing's happening here. No, but weed, JK, weed is just the external thing that you're choosing to use as a self-sabotaging object. Because if that diminishes, then you'll just find something else. So it's all you. You got to look inwards. Trading is gambling, but in a digital world, you can treat it like that. I don't think it is. It's very, very close. Yeah, it's very, very close, but the difference is we can put the edge in our favor a little bit. Yeah. Well, Matt, I've been sleeping for fucking an average of 5 hours, and I'm fine. I slept a bit more today because I did feel like I needed it, but then I did it and I feel shitter for sleeping more. Yeah, this is bonkers. Let's have a look at like the 1 minute chart. Nothing. Wait, what do you mean, standard bloke? Have done everything you shouldn't have? In the Beninging. Yeah, you did miss out much, Mad Lord. Kind of trying to see if some sort of volume wants to kick in here. Really, Kieran? Oh, what you've learned from the course so far is all the mistakes you've seen in the last 6 months. Yeah, that's good, man. It's good that it's jumping out at you like that. Oh, awesome, man. Happy for you. Yeah, we should have a good rest of the year, man. Anybody that's joined the mentorship recently, it's going to be good, man. I think a lot of you guys are going to be in a better position by 2026, that's for sure. I'm 35, big difference. I mean 34. And I don't care about anything, bro. All that shit's in your head anyway. Believe, achieve, receive. Oh, I'm burnt out. Whilst working 12 hours a day, I finally started taking profit. Nice. Yeah, I remember your name, Shay. Yep, so we'll let this candle cook a little bit more. You can see there's like a level here that its price is respected a lot. We're kind of at that now. See if it wants to kind of break through or whatever. Nothing super familiar here in terms of price action though. I've been in Dubai a month, I think. About a month. I'm doing amazing, Malak, and do you have a headache? No, my eyes are burning. The Mia Khalifa has no bathrooms. Burj Khalifa. No, I feel the best I've ever felt, Matt. My whole life I've slept for like 8 to 9 hours. I feel the best I've ever felt my entire life. Pretty in tune with my body. I understand studies show that if you sleep, fucking, you die or whatever, and it's like, it's all good. But yeah, no, I'll figure something out. It's all good. Next minute dies. I think 4x, 4 hours, close in 30 minutes, yeah. You need 7 hours. I mean, if I get 7 hours sleep, that means I need to go to bed at like fucking, you know, I get up at 3 a.m. every day, 3:30 a.m. every day, so. I take care of my body amazingly. I just have a different mind about the idea of sleep. Any plans to come to Africa, Nigeria, precisely? Nigerian women. I'll tell you in a minute. Yeah, I might G up. Damn. Yeah, I might G up. Okay. Nigeria. Yeah, I might G up. Yeah, I might G up. Check Ethiopian women. Yeah, I might G up. So got 2.5 minutes here. We'll see. Check Pakistan. Oh, fuck. Everyone's telling me to check all these different countries now. Wow, I'm about to faint. Cough too hard. Any female traders in Dubai to collab with? I don't know. Does anyone know any female traders in Dubai? I don't know anything. Does anyone know any Dubai female traders? Sarah Smith Trades. Sounds fake. There's no one named Sarah Smith Trades. Search Kurdish woman. No, I can't. Sarah Smithy. Same shit. Trade with Sarah Smith. Let's trade with Sarah Smith here. Nothing. Alright, there's his closure. Let's have a look. 30-minute. One hour. 4 hour. Is there a justification for a sell here? Nah, I can't search any more women, bro. If I took a sell here, it would just be a trade because I'm impatient. In an ideal scenario, you get a small body green here, and then the next one drops. No, I don't trade Bitcoin. We'll see if this can create a bit of a bottom wick and then wick up and then re-break that wick. Might look at taking a sell. Scalpy scalp. Let it cook here for a sec. Miraza. Trades. This is meant to be a trader? Yeah, I don't know what's up with you guys. What up, Purple? Yeah, see if this can see if we can get in before it moves down too much. $30 pips. Yeah, a little rat scalp, nothing special. I wouldn't put the house on this. I definitely wouldn't put the house on it. Sophie Smith. Nah, people have already said too many fake ones. I don't know. Like I said, Christopher, it's definitely not an A+. Yeah, it's definitely not an A plus. So. Tell him to research random shit. Clogging your arteries, fuck me, this got real serious. Nice, K-Dub. Bring out the crickets, yeah, legit. And there's just no volume. Oh, nice. Yeah, I trade NQ as well. NQ is just consolidating. Yeah, I really wanted to kind of get in up here and get a decent entry for a sell on gold. This is subpar as hell, but we'll see. My goal was to try and get a decent sell entry on gold, but this is subpar. Yo, MC with a name switch. MC freaking hitting him with the name switch. Yeah, probably just consolidation. Yeah, what does 4x look like? I think Graph actually changed his, or maybe he didn't. Maybe something is happening. Nice little push here. That's already 15 pips. If anyone used proper size and they're in this, I would look at taking some size off very, very soon. If it breaks zone bottom wick here, I'll go BE. Nice, Bluey. Good stuff, man. I'm going to go BE here. It's just a little rat scalp. I'll probably get stopped at BE. But if any of you guys use proper size there and want to take some size off, yeah. I think you had a good opportunity there. Oh, wow, Shem. W, brother. Nice, you're out. Good stuff. All right, cool. Yeah, I'm at BE now. Yeah, I'm at BE. There's a very high probability that it comes up and taps that BE, but just a little rat scalp. Nice W there for some of you guys. Cool. Good stuff, Shib. Yeah, beautiful. You beauty. Dubs 2K across 4 accounts. Wow, sick. Now I can pay for the water. I mean, when I came onto the stream, that's what I was saying the whole time. I wanted to pull back and an opportunity to sell. Happened a bit lower than what I wanted it, and it's not the cleanest because there was 2 red 15-minute candles, but I mean, rat scalp's a rat scalp. Ratatouille is a ratatouille. Quick hunt it, nice. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a run down to here without getting BE'd, but we'll see. Super low size because it just wasn't really an A+. I took this one more based off the 30. Yeah, more based off the 30, not the 15. 15 didn't look ideal, that's why I didn't really put too much into this trade. Yeah, I don't like to take these kind of type 2s where there's 2 red. You really want to enter, yeah, you don't want that kind of a structure. But I was pretty adamant on trying to catch a sell opportunity a bit higher than at the actual support level. The fig. Yeah, if it does keep moving down, I'll definitely look to actually add in and have a proper actual breakout trade. So I guess we'll see. If I get stopped at BE, then I might just chill and I call it. But I mean, if it wants to keep moving down and break support, then fucking sign me up. Sign me up. Fry my eyes even more. I feel like mosquitoes have been biting my eyes. Two and a half minutes here for this closure. Some nice volume selling here. Sellers are in control, ladies and gentlemen. Sellers are in control. Yeah, Hassan, but that's not for another 4 hours. You've ran 30 of 90 miles if you remember me. Yes, I do, Mason. W, brother. Yeah, you're young, right? I think you're like 17 or something. Maybe even younger. Good on you, bro. Yeah, I'm at BE. 14, wow. W, brother. Good shit. I mean, I would have already had size off here, but I've only... I used such low size because it was a little scalp. So I just have a BE. But yeah, my whole premise for this London session was to try and get in a sell position before it got to resistance. I mean, support. Just start on Google, mate. Just start on Google, Mason. Just like you would research anything. What is trading? Use ChatGPT, just understand the basics. Yeah. Yeah, so if I get stopped at B, you guys, I'm going to obviously jump off and then just keep an eye on that break below level to put on an actual decent trade. Yeah, that's the goal. But you've been standing for a long time, take a sit. Nah, it's all good. It's all good, my dude. Zero money, zero money. You just learn first. Don't worry about money. Don't worry. Oh, that's a 15 closure. See if I get cooked by a wick here. And yeah. NQ sells. Nah, fuck NQ right now. Still in that consolidation range. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Stay. Sell. Sellers activate. There we go. Release the sells. Everyone click sell right now. Yeah, I did free zone. Discord, that link doesn't work. You might need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. Yeah. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. YouTube cats. I don't know anything about freelance visas. I got a it's called a investor visa. It's actually all in my latest YouTube video. Just take your profit, better than nothing. Bro, it's $30. It's literally nothing. I mean, it is more than nothing. It's over 5 accounts, but that's all good. Nah, in Australia, demonics. Daniel from Uganda. What up, my brother? Ruganda. Delita, what up, brother? Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you back in business. What do you use to link all accounts? I mean, with TopStep or Bullinox, I use a platform called Project X. This platform I'm trading on right now is called Project X. And in the settings, there's a copy trader section. So you can just copy trade all your shits. Oh, Ghana, not Uganda, sorry. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Bro, tell us the most important things, let's say, to see when you want to buy a challenge. I don't know. I don't know what you mean. Just buy a challenge and trade it. That's all you need to worry about. I hope all you guys are clicking sell to push this market down. I'm assuming we've got some whales here in the chat. Three micros, why? I just wasn't a red hot trade. Like, it's over 5 accounts, but yeah, it just wasn't like an A+ setup, so I'm not gonna bet the house on it. But I will try and let it run a bit. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Hi everyone, I'm Web3 educator. Oh my god, everyone, go over to his account, please. He's gonna give you everything. What's your leverage? I don't know. We need Raj to push price, yeah. Yeah, all I said when I came on the stream is I wanted price to pull back and then give me an opportunity to sell before it actually got back to support. And it kind of did that, but not in a, it was a bit too low from where I wanted it. That's why I went low size. It's not really an A+. There's been fucking weird volume. About a thing. How did you execute on the 30-minute? What do you mean? Just press the fucking button. Yeah, I'm not sure, Scottish. Someone will probably help you in the chat. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know what I need. I definitely need some sort of glasses. Yeah, my eyes. I don't think it's that. I think it's just I look at a screen so much. Like the human eyes aren't meant to be looking at screens as much as I do. So they're just glitching out. Yeah, my eyes are glitching out because of it. Especially one of them. One of them is like so much stronger. I actually wear an eye patch. Yeah, I'm meant to be wearing an eye patch. But I don't want to wear it on stream because I look like I've got some sort of issues. Yeah, I'm sorry, you guys. At this stage, I'm actually gonna have to wear it, even though I look so. And that's the eye patch for the other eye, but I have to put on this eye because I have no other option. Like this eye is so blurry, I can barely even fucking read the shits. It's too distracting. Check Dissy? Okay, let's have a look at Dissy. Oh, look at Mitch over here. Wow, Mitch is in the same trade on funded accounts. Driving? Fuck. Yeah, I've got some blue lights on the way. Got some blue waffles on the way. Took some partials on that last push. Nice. Yeah, good stuff. Like, there's no way I'll survive this. This is insane. Freaking pretty decent move. 25 ticks there. Yeah. If I was using normal shit, I would have taken off some size as well. Mitch exposed, yeah. Mitch is going to be on 9 News. Trader driving while fucking Trader on stream while driving and all this other shit. Exposed. Mentored by Daniel Holmes, influenced young men across the nation to drive and trade. Oh yeah, he's not driving. Wrong side. That's true. Took partials. Nice. Good stuff. Tonight on 9 News.
Order filled.
Bro, buy a challenge FTMO or funding pips. They're all the same. FTMO's been around the longest. You guys, so off stream, I'm going to be looking at this level down here. Yeah, I'm going to be looking at this level down here, get some sort of break here or some sort of something. And that should be awesome. So I appreciate you guys jumping on. Hopefully you guys were able to take some partials down here and not a bad little sell there. Thanks, gang. I'll chat with you guys in the Discord and I'll see you on stream tomorrow if you're around. Alhamdulillah. See you guys.